everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see dislikes on your YouTube videos. Now for that you need to log in. So go to your web browser and on top there's a search bar, type studio.youtube.com and I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now as you can see that I've landed inside my YouTube account. Now down there you can see channel dashboard. Now on the same page, move towards your left hand side corner and on the second step there is content. You need to tap on it. Now as I tap on content, on the other side you can see my video which I have uploaded. Now in order to see if I've received any dislike or likes, all I need to do is move towards my right hand side corner. Now as you can see right in the corner there is like versus dislike. So in order to check if I've received any dislike, right in the corner there is like versus dislike. Now in order to check dislike, all I need to do is slightly move down, just tap on it and here you can see on top there is a display of like and unlike. So as you can see that I've received 0 like and as I've received 1 dislike, and this is how you can see dislike on your YouTube videos on your account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.